Tired of seeing random videos on your YouTube homepage? You actually have more control over your recommendations than you might think. Here's how to manage them. When you open YouTube.com, the homepage shows videos recommended to you based on your watch history, searches, and interactions. If you see a video you're not interested in, simply hover over it and click on the 3 vertical dots next to the title. From the menu that appears, select Not Interested. This tells YouTube you don't want to see that video anymore, and it will remove it from your feed. If there's a specific channel you don't want to see in your recommendations at all, click the 3 dots on any of that channel's videos and choose Don't Recommend Channel. This stops YouTube from suggesting any content from that channel, even though you can still search for it or visit it directly if you choose to. After hiding videos or blocking a channel, try refreshing the homepage. You'll notice a different set of recommendations that better match your preferences. The more often you use these tools, the better YouTube becomes at tailoring your feed to your actual interests, giving you a more relevant and personalized experience. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more useful tips.